In March 2025, we hiked the Kumano Kodo Nakahechi, a sacred UNESCO trail in Japan. Over 9 days, we crossed Kansai Airport, Kii-Tanabe, Takahara, Tsujizakura-oji, Hongu, Kawayu Onsen, Koguchi, Nachisan, Katsura, and Singu. Day 1, Arrival. We don't start hiking today. Our only goal is simple: get from Kansai Airport to the trailhead of the Kumano Kodo Nakahechi route, Kii-Tanabe. From Terminal 1 Arrival Hall, we take the escalator upstairs, cross the pedestrian bridge to pick up the train tickets we booked online at JR Kansai Airport Station. The JR counter is right next to the Nankai ticket counter. You can use the staffed window or the green ticket machines, not the blue ones. At the machine, select the language. Tap Pick up reserved tickets, then select JR West online reservation. Insert the credit card you used to make the booking, then enter the 4-digit code you set at that time. Your booking appears on the screen. Select your outbound and return tickets. Hit print, and all your tickets come out from the lower left slot. Then we head to the Gate B across from the ticket office and scan our ticket labeled Kansai Airport, Kii-Tanabe to enter the platform. First leg, take a train to Hinino Station. At Hinino Station, we transfer to the Kuroshio Limited Express, which takes us directly to Kii-Tanabe. Total travel time, about 1 hour 40 minutes. Upon arrival at Kii-Tanabe Station, we check into Hotel Kii-Tanabe, just steps away. We book a twin room with a private bathroom. Day 2, our Kumano Kodo hike begins. We hike from Kii-Tanabe to Takahara, covering 24 kilometers and collecting stamps 1 to 6. From the hotel, it's about an 8-minute walk to Kii-Tanabe Station. This day includes bus rides and hiking. We hand over our suitcase for forwarding at the hotel front desk at 6 a.m. At bus stop 2, we catch bus 81 at 6:16 a.m. Board from the rear door and take a numbered ticket. The journey takes about 20 minutes. We get off at our first destination, Inabenji. After getting off, we walk about 2 minutes back along the river to reach the Inabenji site, a former place of worship for nobles and royalty. We collect our first stamp. Then we return to the same bus stop and catch the 7:11 a.m. number 95 bus to our next stamp point, Mukaigoshi, arriving at 7:20 a.m. From the stop, we cross the Noetsu Bridge, then turn left and continue 100 meters to reach the second stamp point, Hokusogi-go. After stamping, we have about an hour of free time. We walk to a Lawson convenience store to buy breakfast and bentos for lunch, then return to the same bus stop to catch the 8:32 a.m. Route 92 bus. This time, we board from the front door. After 10 minutes, we get off at Kajiyakawa-guchi stop, where the hiking officially begins. From here, a 4 kilometers uphill road starts. It's paved but lightly trafficked, with Kumano Kodo signs guiding the way. After about an hour in the forest, we reach a scenic lookout point. Then walk another 10 minutes to reach the third stamp point, shiomi-toge rest area, which has benches and toilets. After a 30-minute break, we continue our journey. For the descent, we choose a shortcut trail through the forest that leads directly to Takijiri, a slightly rugged mountain path. Follow the pink ribbons tied to trees as trail markers. After an hour, we rejoin the main road, pass Itsukushima Shrine, then veer onto another forest path. About 20 minutes later, around noon, we reach Takijiri. Here we find the Kumano Kodo Visitor Center, an important stop along the Nakahechi route. The center offers historical exhibits. We can pick up free trail maps and purchase official Kumano Kodo shell souvenirs and the Nakahechi pilgrimage stamp book. At 1 p.m., we resumed the final 4 kilometers to Takahara. First, we stop at Takijiri-Chaya, opposite the visitor center, to collect stamp number 4, Takijiri-Oji. Then pass through Takijiri-Oji Shrine and enter the official mountain trail. The hike begins with a steep 500-meter climb that takes about 20 minutes, bringing us to nonaka-oji, where we collect our 5th stamp. Then comes another 600-meter uphill section, after which the trail levels out into a serene forest path. Eventually, we spot a free shoe repair station, which means we're nearing our destination. Next to it is a charming woodworking shop with handmade crafts. Each item is priced, just pay and take what you like. Just 5 more minutes of walking bring us to the final destination of the day, Takahara Kumano Shrine, a small shrine adorned with delicate hand-painted artwork. Beside it, we find an art display area, also our 6th and final stamp stop for the day. Around 4 p.m., we arrive at Hatago Masawa, a cozy guesthouse run by a Japanese-French couple. After a French-style dinner and warm conversation, we end our first hiking day feeling happy and full.